Flow Foundation head Errol Miller ill in urgent need of blood. All of this coming up. Errol K. Miller, executive chairman of Flow Foundation, has been hospitalized and is presently in urgent need of blood donation. Reports are that Mr. Miller has been admitted to the intensive care unit of the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHII. Full details of his condition are not known at this time. We are asking the public to continue to pray for him, said Troy Cockins, director of Flow Foundation, who confirmed the news. Cockins said Miller has been in hospital for the past 2 weeks. Other Jamaicans who heard about the development have also appealed via social media for blood donation. Here are the options to donate. The National Chest Hospital at 35.5 Barbican Road, and indicate that you are donating blood for Errol K. Miller in the ICU B at UHII. Option 2, the blood bank at UHII, and indicate that you are donating blood for Errol K. Miller in ICU B. The National Blood Bank at 12 Slipen Road, and please indicate as well that you are donating blood for Errol K. Miller in the ICU B. Please note that if you are donated blood in less than 3 months ago, you will not be allowed to do so. But you can still share this video. Share the video with someone who is eligible to donate blood. And please do so. Mr. Miller is a very close friend to one of my subscribers. So you know, say, once he's a close friend to one of my subscribers, automatically he's family. And he should be your family too, because that's what we're trying to create right here. A family. So please share this video, like this video. You may not be in Jamaica, but probably you know someone who is in Jamaica that can donate. So if you can save a life, save a life. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.